Welcome to this hobby of ours. I am overjoyed for this watch book presentation. Normally I'd be going straight to on deck, but I have been waiting for months, and literally 4 months, to get this book in from Pietro, the Universal Watch Genève book, version 2, release 2. I have been chasing him for literally months, saying, hey, when's the book coming out? When's the book coming out? Hey, is the book ready? Is it ready to ship? Where do I send my money? And now that it's here, I am so happy to be sharing it with you. Finally, Pietro, sir, I am overjoyed to have your book in front of me. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, it looks like it's black, but it's not. It's this wonderful dark green, which is, of course, Hobby of Ours approved. I've been waiting so long for this book. Can't wait. Partly due to, ever since they announced that Breitling acquired the name and the, I don't know to what degree, the patents, etc. of Universal Genève, I think everyone's been holding their breath, wondering what Breitling's going to do with that brand. But I think gaining some familiarity with their older models is pretty important. And for a limited time, if you're buying this print copy of the book, the author is also going to give you access to the online version of edition 1. This is technically edition 2, and that's kind of pretty cool. Wow, but you know me, I love my watch books. Do me a favor, if you haven't done it already, like, comment, and give me a subscribe. It takes no time and it means so much. Let us dive right in. Page count 478. Around about 200 euros. And this book is a wonderful mix of vintage. I should point out, this book contains only the Universal Genève models where they had the Universal Genève movements, not the later portion of UG's history where they were doing kind of wacky stuff. But this contains the UG watches, UG movements, and a few other watch brands for which they made their movements. So that's the scope of this book. I'm gonna go halvesies. Let's go halvesies so I can get up in there. Oh, all that vintage goodness. If you're gonna be a hunter, we've got certainly some very attractive art from the advertising of the watches. We're gonna get into references and archive information of the watches themselves. Look at that. And this book is filled with this. It's in multiple languages. You've got pictures, references, information on the movements, etc. And UG is a brand I'm turning my attention to. There are a couple models in here I did not know about, like this one, that I'm going to be out there hunting, and I would not have known about it except for this book. Why? Clapton. I think this is the Clapton, and I think this is the evil Clapton because it's dark. I'm still researching, but I'm fairly certain that is the chronograph known as the Clapton. But I would not have known about it if not for the book. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Exactly what we want. Bit of history, bit of pictures, tons of references, dial variants, everything you could want and more out of the archives. Because UG partnered with him when he made this book. He wasn't just running around the countryside, going to people's homes. Hey, can I see your UG watch? Nah, he got into the archives for this. Brilliant work, Pietro. Brilliant work, sir, and so glad you re-released it. If for no other reason than that one guy on eBay tried to sell me a version 1 for 5 times what this book costs. I am over the moon, absolutely ecstatic you did it, sir. And this book is Hobby of Ours approved, a must-have for your watch book library. And it's going to be all the more important as we wait and see, holding our breath to see what Breitling is going to do with the brand, with the patents. I wonder if they're going to bring back some of the movements. Got their military versions in here. Ay, perfect. The perfect reference if you are a UG lover or a UG hunter. There you have it, the latest addition to the Hobby of Ours watch book library. and available to be added to your watch library as well. Whether you like watches, whether you're hunting for UG, or whether you're excited to see what Breitling is going to do with the brand now that they own them. I think that checking out this book is absolutely worthwhile, and there is a link in the description below to find your way to it. Hope that wherever you are in this wonderful, beautiful hobby of ours, you are blessed. We will catch you in the next one. Peace. Pick up a book. 1001 Watch Designs, Volume 1. We've got line art, oil paintings, steampunk, and even super duper realistic ones. Ones that you could probably put on your wrist today. It's a good bit of fun and a great way to share your support. Thanks for coming along on the ride.